నేను మీ రంజిత్ కుమార్ సార్. వెల్కమ్ టు టీఆర్కే ట్యూటోరియల్. ఎవరైతే ఫస్ట్ టైం మన వీడియో చూస్తున్నారో తప్పకుండా వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. సో టుడే వీఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్ అబౌట్ క్రామర్స్ రూల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ for 7 marks in board of intermediate examination. So Cramer's rule starts now. Let the game start. Right, the first question, Cramer's rule: 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 9, x plus y plus z equal to 6, x minus y plus z equal to 2. These three equations we are solving by using Cramer's rule method. So right, first of all, in the solution we write a value. First we write a value. A means coefficient matrix. A is coefficient matrix, that is x quotient, y quotient and z quotient. Just we write here 2. X quotient is 2 and y quotient is -1, z quotient is 3. Similarly, from this equation, x quotient 1, y quotient 1 and z quotient 1. Similarly, from this equation, x1, y -1, z1. Next we write x value. X is variable matrix. X is variable matrix. For all Cramer's rule problems, x value is fixed. That is x, y, z. So here this is capital X. These are all small x, y, z, small values. And now we write D. D name is constant matrix. So what are the right side values in given three equations? So that is only called as D, constant matrix. That is right side value 9, this is 6 and this is 2. 9, 6, 2. So right, Cramer's rule started. This is very most important for 7 marks in our board examination. So our game starts now for 7 marks. Ready? Start. First of all, we find delta value. Delta means debt to A. Debt to A means a determinant of A. So this is also symbol of debt A. So now start the determinant. So this is matrix symbol. This is determinant symbol. So right, start. The numbers are 2, -1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, -1, 1. So right. So already we learned this concept in the previous problems. Previous part 1, matrices, basics part 1, part 2. You listen them. So how to expand determinant of a value. So first of all we write plus, minus, plus symbols. After that the expansion is so first of all plus into 2 symbol, that is 2 situated, that row and column delete. So 2 row and column delete. Then the remaining 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 elements right here. Okay, plus into 2 symbol, that is plus 2. So 2 row and column deleted, remaining 4 numbers like this. After that minus and -1, that is +1. Minus of -1 is +1. one presented row and column will delete now. So remaining 4 numbers are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and plus 3, plus 3. Ready? Start again. So 3 situated row and column will be deleting. So remaining 4 elements are 1, 1, 1 minus 1. 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Right? So that delta equal to, first of all, this simplification is 2 into, right? So like this, 1 into 1. After that, down to up. Whenever we move from down to up, we extra use symbol is a minus. So that 1 into 1 is 1. Reverse down to up, extra minus come. That minus and this minus becomes plus. 1 1 is a 1. And this one is plus 1 into 1 1 is a 1 minus 1 and this is minus 1 plus 3 into 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Now down to up is minus 1. Okay. And now the simplification. 1 plus 1 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 this 1 cancel because 1 no this is minus 1 cancel. 0 into something is 0 and remaining here minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 3s are minus 6 that is minus 2. So whenever delta value not equal to 0, so here delta value is minus 2. Minus 2 is not equal to 0. Whenever delta value not equal to 0, then CRAMER'S rule exists. CRAMER'S rule exists. Otherwise, CRAMER'S rule does not exist. So now, so this is a question. First we write A value, X value and D value. A is coefficient matrix, D is constant matrix, X is fixed. That is variable matrix. So this is delta A. So already this is delta finding method we learn in matrices part 1 and part 2. So right, this is delta completed. Now we want to find delta 1 value. Delta 1 value. So how to find delta 1? Just simple. This D value we substitute at column 1. First delete 211, replace 962. 211 ఈ 3 నెంబర్స్ డిలీట్ చేయాలి. వీటి ప్లేస్లో ఈ నెంబర్స్ను రిప్లేస్ చేయాలి ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్లో, ఫస్ట్ కాలంలో. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ డెల్టా 1. If we substitute 962 in the place of C2, that is called delta 2. If we substitute 962 in third column, that is 311, just we remove these 3 elements, we substitute here, that is called delta 3. So ready? Now we are finding delta 1 value, that is by substituting 962 here 211 place, so that 962 and minus 1 1 minus 1 3 1 1. Again expansion start by using the symbols are plus minus plus. Alright, start the expansion is 9 dead to 9 situated row and column removed. So the 4 elements are 1 1 minus 1 1. Similarly, minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Now again delete the row and column which the element is minus 1 situated. So that the remaining 4 elements are 6 1 2 1 6 1 2 1 and plus 3 removed, so that 6 1 2 minus 1 6 1 2 minus 1. Now the expansion begins. 9 into ready 1 down to up, extra minus come, that minus, this minus becomes plus, so that 1 plus 1 1 plus 1. Next one, 1 into 6 minus 2 and plus 3 into, this is minus 6, this is minus 2. Now the simplification of delta 1 value is 1 plus 1 2, 2 9s are 18, 6 minus 2 4, 1s are 4, minus 6 minus 2 minus 8, 3s are minus 24, so that 18 plus 4 is 22 minus 24, that is minus 2. So this is the delta 1 value is minus 2. Similarly, we find delta 2, also delta 3. For that, delta 2 finding now, delta 2, just we replace 962 in the place of C2. So whenever we substitute 962 in the place of C2, this is C2, that is called delta 2. And now finding 211 as it is, and 962 substituting at the place of C2 and remaining C3 as it is, that is 311. Now using symbols plus, minus, plus, ready, start. 2 into 6 1 2 1, 2 into 6 1 2 1 and minus 9 into 1 1 1 1. The similar process of finding of delta 1 value. Delta 1 value ఎలా find చేశాము, delta 2 delta 3 సేమ్ అలాగే ఫైండ్ చేయాలి, రైట్? సో minus 9 1 1 1 1 and plus 3 ready, start. 1 6 1 2 1 6 1 2. Similarly expansion started, that is delta 2 equal to 2 into 6 minus 2 minus 9 into, this is 1, no, this is minus 1 and minus 1 plus 3 into, this is 2 minus, this is 6. And now again the simplification started. 6 minus 2 4 2s are 8, 1 cancel, 0 into minus 9 value is 0, no need to write that value. So 2 minus 6 is minus 4 3s are minus 12, that answer is minus 4. Now we have delta 1 value, also delta 2 value. Now we want to find delta 3 value, so that start. Now delta 3, before that we have delta value is minus 2, delta 1 value is minus 2, delta 2 value is minus 4. And now delta 3 expansion started here. So ready, start, begin the return to 2 into 2 row and column deleted. Remaining 4 elements are 1 6 minus 1 2 and minus of minus 1 value is plus 1, minus of minus 1 value plus 1. Deleted this row and this column. 1 6 1 2 1 6 1 2 and the plus into 9 symbol, so that 9 presented row and column removed, so remaining 4 elements are 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1. Now expansion started. Delta 3 2 into this is 2 and this is plus 6 plus 1 into 1 2 is 2 and this is minus 6 2 minus 6 plus 9 into minus 1 and this is minus 1. So right, the expansion is 2 plus 6 is 8 8 2s are 16. Next to 2 minus 6 value is minus 4 minus 4 ones are minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 9s are minus 18. So that delta 3 value is 16 and from these two numbers is minus 22. 16 minus 22 value is minus 6. So this is delta 3 value is minus 6 came. And now we want to find the values of x, y, z. What is our equations are? In these equations the unknown values are x, y, z. So by solving them, what is the meaning solving? Just meaning of solving means find x, y, z unknown values. Variables, what are the variable values? So now we want to find x value, y value and z value. So we know that formulas are x formula is delta 1 by delta, y formula is delta 2 by delta and z formula is delta 3 by delta. So this CRAMER'S rule only exists for whenever delta is not equal to 0. If delta is 0, something by 0, the solution does not exist. So that must and should delta value not equal 0. Otherwise CRAMER'S rule does not exist. So x formula, y formula, z formula. Now substituting those all values here, delta 1 value is minus 2 and delta value is minus 2. By cancelling them we get the answer is 1. Similarly delta 2 value is minus 4 and delta value is minus 2. So that minus cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So the answer is 2. So next one, delta 3 value is minus 6 and delta value is minus 2. So that minus cancel, 2 table 2 3s are. So that the answer is 3. Hence solution is x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to 3. So this is the solution of given 3 equations by using the CRAMER'S rule. Okay na? So this is the very important model for board examination. So next question. Right. The second question, x plus y plus z equal to 1, 2x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 6 and x plus 4y plus 9z equal to 3. Solve these 3 equations by using the CRAMER'S rule. Just now we discussed how do we solve CRAMER'S rule. Just we write first of all a value, after x value and d value, find delta value, after that find delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3. And finally we use the formulas, x equal to formula delta 1 by delta, y formula is delta 2 by delta and z formula is delta 3 by delta. Same method. So again we starting at one of the most important question by using CRAMER'S rule. So ఎవరైతే ఫస్ట్ టైం మన వీడియో చూస్తున్నారో ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ నౌ. ఓకే రైట్, రెడీ స్టార్ట్. A means just we write coefficient matrix, coefficient matrix. That is start. x quotient is 1, y quotient is 1, z quotient is 1. Similarly here 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, and there 1, 4, 9. So this is A. Next one x. X means variable matrix. Very good. Variable. X is variable matrix. Ready? Variable matrix is fixed, that is small x, y and z. So the name of D is constant matrix. Constant matrix. So what are the right hand side constants in the given three equations? We write as column, that is 1, 6 and 3. 1, 6 and 3. This is D. So again start our game. So ready, first of all we find delta value. Delta value is mean det A or det symbol, and these are all A 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4, 9. Now start, symbols are plus, minus, plus. Again expansion started. Expansion, that is 1 plus into 1, 1. So direct now expansion start, that is bracket. Just we delete the row and column, the 1 is presented. First one, this element presented, row and column remove. Row and column remove. Only we have these 4 elements. Now using just like a cross multiplication, we will write, that is 18 minus 12. So 18 minus 12. 18, okay, and down to up minus will come. So 4 3 is 12. Similarly, next symbol minus into 1, that is minus 1, minus 1. And now start, this one situated, row and column remove, row and column remove, so this row and this column removed. Now we have 2, 3, 1, 9 using the cross multiplication, so that 2 9s are 18 and 1 3 is 3. 18 minus 3 and plus into 1 symbol is 1. Again start deleting the row and column. This element is presented. So this row and this column is removed, so that this is 8 and this is minus 2. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. Now the simplification started. 18 minus 12 value is 6. 6 ones are 6. Similarly, 18 minus 3 value is 15. 15 into minus 1 value is minus 15. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 ones are 6. And now the value is 12 minus 15 is minus 3. So delta value is minus 3. Clearly this number is not equal to 0. So that CRAMER'S rule exists. CRAMER'S rule is existed. Already I told that whenever delta value is not equal to 0, CRAMER'S rule exists. Otherwise CRAMER'S rule does not exist. And now we find delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3. So right, first of all, delta 1 value we are finding now. We know that the D value substitute in first column. That means we delete 1 2 1 and here we substitute 1 6 3. So that is the delta 1 value. Ready, start. 1 6 3. Next 1 2 4 1 3 9. Symbols are plus, minus, plus 2. So similarly same process from like this. First of all, plus into 1, 1 into 1 situated row and column will be removed. So this row and this column removed. So remain 4 elements like this 2, 3, 4, 9. We use like a cross multiplication, that is 18 down to up to minus 12. 18 minus 12. Similarly, minus into 1, minus 1 into minus into 1, minus 1 into delete this row and this column. So that 6, 3, 3, 9. Using again cross multiplication. 6 9s are 54 minus 3 3s are 9 plus 1 into plus 1 into delete this row and this column. So remain 4 elements are like this 6 2 3 4 using the cross multiplication. So that 24 and this is minus 6. 24 minus 6. So that 18 minus 12 value is 6. 6 ones are 6. And 54 minus 9 is 45. 45 into minus 1 is minus 45. Similarly, 24 minus 6 is 18. 18 ones are 18. So that 6 plus 18 is 24. 24 minus 45. 24 minus 45. The value is delta 1 value is, what is the answer? 24 minus 45 value is right answer, that is minus 21. So this is delta value and this is delta 1 value. Now we are finding delta 2 value. How do we find delta 2 value? Just we substitute D163 in the place of 1, 2, 4 second column. That is called delta 2. Ready, start. First column as it is 1 to 1. Second column 1 to 4 removed and 163 substituting here 1, 6, 3 and 139 third column is as it is. So same symbols, plus, minus, plus, again start the work. 1 into delete this row and this column. So that 6 9s are 54 minus this is 9. 54 minus 9 and next one is minus into one symbol, minus 1 minus into 1, that is minus 1 and same process. So 1 presented, row and column remove. Now this row and this column removed, so that remaining 4 elements are 2, 3, 1, 9. Using cross multiplication, 2 9s are 18 and this is 3. 18 minus 3. Plus into one symbol, plus 1 into this 1 situated row and column removed. So the remaining 4 elements are 2, 6, 1, 3. Again using cross multiplication like 2 3s are 6 and this is minus 6. 6 minus 6. So now this one cancel. So we need not to write this value because this 0 into 1 is 0. Ready? 54 minus 9, 45. 45 ones are 45. And 18 minus 3 is 15. 15 into minus 1 is minus 15. So the answer is 30. So this is delta 2 value. Now we are finding delta 3 value. Delta 3 means just we substitute 163 in the place of 139C3. So that 121 as it is, 124 as it is, 121 as it is, 124 as it is, and that is 163. So same process, using the symbols are plus, minus and plus. Again expansion started, that is 1 into 6, this is minus 24, 6 minus 24, 6 minus 24, and this is minus and 1 is minus 1, minus 1. Ready? Start minus 1. This row and this column removed, so that 2, 6, 1, 3 are the remaining 4 elements. Now again using the cross multiplication like that, 2 3s are 6 minus 1 6 are 6, 6 minus 6, and this is plus 1 into plus 1, so that 2 4 the 8, this is minus 2, 8 minus 2. Now this 6 and minus 6 cancel, 0 into minus 1 becomes 0, so we need not to write this value. Now 6 minus 24 is minus 18, minus 18 ones are minus 18, and 8 minus 2, 6 ones are 6, so answer is minus 12. So delta value is minus 3, delta 1 value is minus 21, delta 2 is 30, delta 3 is minus 12. Now we apply the x, y, z formulas by using these 4 values. Now we get the x, y, z values. First of all, we know that x formula is delta 1 by delta. That is, what is delta 1 value? Minus 21 by delta value is minus 3. And now cancellations, minus cancel. This is 3 table 3, 7 the, so that x value is 7. Similarly, y formula is delta 2 by delta. Delta 2 value is 30 and by delta value is minus 3. Simply minus 3 table 3 10 is the 30. 3 10 is the 30. Similarly, z value is formula delta 3 by delta. What is delta 3 value there? Minus 12 by what is delta value? Minus 3. Now cancellation, minus cancel. 3 ones are 3 4s are. The answer is 4. So solution is x equal to 7 and y equal to minus 10 and z equal to 4. This is the CRAMER'S rule problems. So now I am giving 2 problems homework for you. By using the method is CRAMER'S rule. Okay. So most important 4 questions I am giving in this video. 2 questions are explained by me and 2 questions are giving homework. So the questions are right. The homework questions are in this method CRAMER'S rule. I am giving only 1. That is homework question number 1. X plus y plus z equal 9. 2x plus 5y plus 7z equal 52. 2x plus y minus z equal 0. Homework question number 1. Now question number 2 for homework is 2x minus y plus 8z equal 13. 3x plus 4y plus 5z equal 18. 5x minus 2y plus 7z equal 20. So must and should every person solve these 4 questions by using CRAMER'S rule. This is the most important question for our board examination. Thank you for watching my video. This is Ranjit Kumar signing off. Bye.